Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Wowbutter apple pie cookie pizza. Alright, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need a half a cup of salted butter softened, which is 1 stick. Then you need a half a cup of the creamy Wowbutter, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, a half a teaspoon of salt, 21 ounces of the apple pie filling. Mine just came in the 20 ounce, so that's fine if you can't find 21 ounces. A half a cup of oats, and I'm just going to use the quick cooking oats. Then you need a half a tablespoon of brown sugar, and then 2 tablespoons of the caramel syrup. And then you also need a pizza pan. It says 12-inch round pan, and then you're just going to, of course, generously spray that with cooking spray or some kind of butter or oil or something just to make it so it's not sticky. Now let's go ahead and preheat our oven to 350. Alright, in a large mixing bowl we are going to combine our butter, Wowbutter, brown sugar, and granulated sugar with an electric mixer until it is nice and combined. Next, add in your egg and your teaspoon of vanilla extract and just mix it again until it's combined. Next, add in the salt and flour and just mix it until it is fully combined. Alright, that looks good. So next you just want to go ahead and take out 1/4 cup of this dough and then spray your pizza pan if you haven't done that already with cooking spray. So the rest of the dough we are just going to spread out evenly on our cookie sheet. That looks good. So now we are going to open up our apple pie filling and just pour that all over top and spread it out evenly. Okay, that looks good. So next you want to take your reserve of your half a cup of your Wowbutter and that mixture that you made for the dough, and you want to add your oats to that and your half of a tablespoon of golden brown sugar, and we're just going to beat that with an electric mixer. Okay, that looks good. So now we are just going to crumble this and just put it on top of our apple pie filling. Okay, that looks amazing. So we are going to go ahead and bake that for 22 to 25 minutes. Alright, that just came out of the oven and it looks and smells amazing. So next we are just going to go ahead and drizzle our caramel syrup all over the top. And of course it says 2 tablespoons, but you know I'm going to use more. Okay, well here it's all finished. So now you can slice it up like a pizza and serve it by itself or with ice cream. I hope you enjoy it. We'll have taste tester have a little taste. Okay, here's a nice piece for taste tester. Tester, have a little taste.
Okay. Yummy.
Do you like it? Alright everyone, come back and see us again, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
I like it.
Bye.
Bye.